Manufacturing is transforming before our eyes. The need to become more efficient, save costs, and modernize operations is clear. Supply chains grow more complex. Customers expect more offerings of higher quality, produced sustainably, as regulations continue to shift and evolve. Microsoft Azure is a secure and scalable cloud platform that provides the technologies that modern manufacturers need, from reliable infrastructure and industrial IoT to a unified data strategy enhanced by advanced analytics and AI. Azure enables manufacturers to capitalize on Industry 4.0, connecting factories to optimize digital operations and unlock efficiencies, creating connected products that pave the way for the future of customer service while creating safer work environments. Manufacturing requires trust, and Azure is a reliable partner that offers unparalleled security, one that allows you to gain access to cutting-edge technologies immediately. Build modern manufacturing systems on your terms with a platform that prioritizes machine, systems, and data interoperability enabled by a commitment to open ecosystems. Use the technology of your choice with consistent performance wherever your data lives, from the edge and on-premise to the cloud. With advanced technology for the products of today, Azure for Manufacturing gives you the confidence to deliver.